Animal nervous system or human nervous system. All the functions in our body are controlled and coordinated by this nervous system. The nervous system includes our brain, spinal cord, and the unit of the nervous system is nerve cell or neuron. So first we will discuss about nerve cell or a neuron and function of nervous system, how it provides response for a stimulus. So with an example we will start. For a hot object we remove our hand. If we touch a hot object we remove our hand. Removal of hand. So the hot object or heat is the stimulus here, and for it to prevent us from harm we remove our hand, that is the response. So the response for this stimulus includes it is given by our nervous system. किसी भी स्टिमुलस के लिए अगर हम रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं तो ये सारा जो रिस्पॉन्स है स्टिमुलस को रिसीव करना और उसके लिए एक रिस्पॉन्स तैयार करना, और फिर जो हमारी मसल्स होती हैं वो बॉडी के उस पार्ट को वहाँ से हटा रही हैं. सो दिस ऑल इज़ डन बाय अ नर्वस सिस्टम. So we will see here summary how does it do this. So first there is a stimulus. कोई भी stimulus आता है, this stimulus is the form of energy. It may be a light energy, sound energy, it may be a smell or taste or touch. So for this stimulus our body receives this stimulus. तो हमारी body stimulus को receive कर रही है. Body means the nervous system of our body. So stimulus is received by our neurons, that is the nerve cell neuron, and this nerve cell sends the information of the stimulus. इस nerve cell के पास information आई है कि कोई hot object है, and this information is sent to the brain, और ये इस information को brain के पास भेजेगा, or we can say the information is sent to the central nervous system. Now the central nervous system analyze the problem. ये इस information को analyze करेगा and it will prepare a response. So with the help of other nerve cell it sends the command to our muscles. Muscles means in this example these will be the muscles of our arms. मसल्स के पास इंफॉर्मेशन जाएगी फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ हैंड. सो रिमूवल ऑफ हैंड इज रिस्पॉन्स हियर फॉर द स्टिमुलस हीट. सो दिस ऑल प्रोसीजर टेक्स प्लेस टू प्रोवाइड अ रिस्पॉन्स फॉर अ स्टिमुलस. नाउ देयर आर स्पेशलाइज्ड सेल्स इन inner sense organs which receive the stimulus. Nerve cells के कुछ tips होते हैं which are called dendrites. We will also see the diagram of the nerve cell. Here we are discussing about the receptors. Receptors are specialized tips of our nerve cells which receive the stimulus, and these receptors are present in all our sense organs. हमारी बॉडी में जितने भी सेंस ऑर्गन्स हैं लाइक आइज़, नोज़, ईयर्स, स्किन, टंग, इन सब में हमारे रिसेप्टर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, एंड दीज रिसेप्टर्स रिसीव द स्टिमुलस और एनर्जी फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट. सो रिसेप्टर्स आर द टिप्स ऑफ आवर नर्व सेल्स. हियर वी विल एनलिस्ट सम ऑफ द रिसेप्टर्स फॉर स्टिमुलस एंड देयर प्रेजेंस. So photoreceptor, photo means light. Photoreceptors are present in our eyes and they sense the light. They sense the light stimulus. लाइट के लिए वो जो लाइट स्टिमुलस आएगा वो उसको रिसीव करेंगे. देन फोनोरिसेप्टर्स they are present in our ears and they will get sound. They will receive the sound. Olfactoreceptors, they are present in our nose and they will receive smell. Now gustatoreceptors, they are present in our tongue for taste. They will receive the taste. Thermoreceptors are present in our skin and they will respond for, or they will receive the stimulus touch. Not respond, they will receive the stimulus touch. Tangoreceptors are also present in the skin, and sorry, here it is not touch, this is the heat. Thermoreceptor for heat and tangoreceptor for touch. टच का क्या मतलब है? टच मीन्स any sharp object which is not good for us, so that touch is received by the tangoreceptors which are present in our skin. So this is about receptors. The receptor is the first part of nervous system, nerve cell we can say. Receptor here receives the stimulus, then this receptor sends the stimulus or information to the nerve cell. Then it goes to brain analyze it and prepares a response for it, and this response is sent to our hands via other nerve cells. So this is about stimulus and receptors and a response.